Listen, I know that if you are trying to start a business online, you're probably just getting spammed with stuff that's like, take this course, pay all this money, and you can take this course and easily have $1 million in your bank after like a day. That's not correct. That's a marketing tactic. However, I do want to put it out there that you have to spend money in order to make money. Not for everyone. Nothing's 100%. Some people can go and find a whole bunch of free YouTube videos and be really motivated and make a whole bunch of money. But think about it. If somebody offers you something for free, you don't feel like there's any value in that because it's free. So you kind of lose interest. It's the same thing with courses and education and learning. If you have to spend money, if you have to make an investment, let's say $1,000 or $500, you just had to work, a full day or a full week for that money at your regular job, and you're making an investment. And so now you're going to be more motivated to make that work because you spent the money on that. And now you're like, I spent that money on that. I got to freaking make it work. And you're going to work harder. So just remember that. Don't get mad at people for trying to sell you courses that are $100 or $800 or $3,000. Do your research and make sure that it's right for you and that it's legit and that it's everything that you want to know. Like a lot of research. But don't get mad about paying money. You should be paying money. If somebody's course is free or $7, it's going to be oversaturated because a ton of people are going to be willing to pay $7. So your competition is going to be huge and it's not going to be very good because you get what you pay for. So just remember that. I love you. Get free. And if you do want a good, slightly affordable, slightly expensive course, then obviously you already know the link is in my bio.